Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. What follows are my personal experiences with the platform. Truelancer, found at Truelancer.com, presents itself as a platform connecting freelancers with clients seeking their skills. The website boasts a wide array of categories, seemingly catering to a diverse range of freelance specialties, from writing and design to programming and marketing. Upon initial inspection, Truelancer appears to offer a fairly standard project bidding system. Freelancers can browse available projects and submit proposals, outlining their qualifications and proposed fees. Conversely, clients can post projects, specifying their requirements and budget, and then review the bid submitted by interested freelancers. The site also highlights features like secure payment processing and dispute resolution mechanisms, ostensibly aimed at providing a safe and reliable environment for both parties involved. However, a closer examination reveals some potential drawbacks. User reviews across various online platforms paint a somewhat mixed picture, with some praising the platform's ease of use and the availability of projects, while others express concerns about the competitiveness of the bidding process and the prevalence of lowball offers. Furthermore, the site's interface, while functional, appears somewhat dated and could benefit from a more modern and intuitive design. Ultimately, while Truelancer may offer a viable avenue for freelancers seeking new opportunities, it's crucial to approach the platform with a realistic understanding of its limitations and to conduct thorough research before committing to any projects. Prospective users should carefully consider the potential challenges of a competitive bidding environment and weigh the benefits against the potential drawbacks. Additionally, it's always advisable to thoroughly vet potential clients and projects to ensure a positive and productive working relationship. Remember to leverage all available resources, including user reviews and online forums, to gain a comprehensive understanding of the platform before engaging with it.